back, everyone, to another episode of Mumbles. Today, I'm here to bring you guys another product review. Oh, yeah. Today's product is the Big Daddy Sponge. Now, this sponge is made by the same people who make the Scrub Daddy. Ah, Scrub Daddy. Now, for those of you that have been around the channel since basically I started it, you'll remember that once upon a time ago, I created a review on the original Scrub Daddy, the circle happy face sponge that basically allows you to scrub off anything and does it quite well. Well, they created a version of that sponge that is massive and huge. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. He's got the shirt on. It's probably a sponsored video. This is not a sponsored video. After my last review, they did send me this shirt as a thank you for doing the review, but I'm not getting paid or anything like that for doing this review. This is something that I saw online that I wanted to buy and try, and which now I'm bringing you guys to do and to look at and to see. So let's talk about the Big Daddy Sponge. Now, as you can see, this sponge is rather huge. You can pick this sponge up. I got it in a pack of 5 for $19.99. So basically $4 a sponge, you can have the Big Daddy Sponge. Mumbles, I've got the Scrub Daddy. What do I need the Big Daddy for? It's quite simple. Let's think about this. This thing is huge. First off, you can customize this to any size you want. So let's say you have an odd-shaped job or an odd-shaped need for a weird sponge. You can cut this thing and customize it to any size you want. I usually customize it to just being a big old sponge, but you can customize it to anything you want. You can customize it into a triangle. Heck, you can make a pyramid if you want to. Really, it's up to you what size you want your Big Daddy to be. So that's the first thing that the Big Daddy provides you. But the second thing is, unlike just the normal circular sponges, which are about at the size of your hand, this gives you more surface area to do things. So it's for this reason that I'm bringing you this review, because this sponge can do so much more than the original Scrub Daddy. For example, one thing that I like to do is make sure that the tires on the car are very clean. You gotta get in between those spokes and get it in between them and make sure all that's clean. Having a big sponge like this really does the job quite well. Another thing that I use the Big Daddy for, things such as cleaning my tile or grout, going through jobs outside, and if I find that, sometimes my metal table needs scrubbed out there, I do a nice scrub on that with the Scrub Daddy and I'm good to go. Also, you can take it into your bathroom and clean your grout in your bathroom, or just clean things in your bathroom, period. And it works great on that. This sponge will not scratch, it will clean, and it will get the job done. Now, really that's all there is to talk about on this sponge. It's made of the same material that the normal Scrub Daddy is made. It's just in a bigger package. It allows for more surface area, more cleaning, more uses of the sponge itself. I like the normal Scrub Daddy for dishes and things like that, but for bigger, badder, dirtier jobs, I like something that I'm not gonna have to touch my hand on. This allows me to do that, have a nice firm grip without having to touch all that gook. So I like this sponge. So with all that in mind, all that's really left to ask is, what is the Big Daddy Sponge gonna get on our Mumbles review? I really love the entire Scrub Daddy line. One of the first things I did a review on was the original Scrub Daddy, and I love that sponge, and I love this one even more because I can do more things with it without getting my hands gooky. And that might sound silly, but it really is nice to know that I have a firm grip on this and not on the gook. I don't get all that nastiness on my hands. I can scrub, 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 and I'm good to go. So with that in mind, just like the normal original Scrub Daddy, this Scrub Daddy is gonna get a 5 out of 5 on our Mumbles review. I love it. I love the size. I love that it's customizable. And I love that it cleans things without scratching them. That is the main takeaway from this. You can clean just about anything without scratching it. So with all that in mind, 5 out of 5. And yeah, guys, this has been my review of the Big Daddy. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Please smack that subscribe button, smack that like button, smack all those buttons. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.